There is a unique kind of pain when you look at your life and realize something has to give. Not tomorrow, not next year, right now. I'm Mark Vandine. Most people think desperation is a weakness. They think it's a dark place. But I want to challenge that today. Desperation is actually a gift. It is the ultimate catalyst. See, we don't change when we want to. We change when we have to. When the status quo becomes more painful than the fear of the unknown. Think about it. We tolerate a lot, don't we? We tolerate the average job, the average routine, the quiet, dull ache of unfulfilled potential. But then something happens. A threshold is crossed. We look in the mirror and you say, "No more. I cannot live this way another day." That moment is sacred. That is the moment a brand new life begins. Desperation is the fire that burns away the excuses. But here's the catch. Desperation alone is just raw energy. It's a powerful wind. If you don't set your sail, it will just push you around from one disaster to another. You cannot just be desperate away from something. You must become desperate for something. For growth, for discipline, for a better version of yourself. The change you're looking for isn't out there in the world. It isn't a new circumstance. It's a new you. If you're feeling that weight today, if you're tired of the same old results, don't numb it. Don't push it down. Lean into it. Let that desperation become your determination. Take the first step. Read the book. Fix the habit. Make the choice. Because your life won't get better by chance. It will only get better by change.